In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to figure out which category is right for your business. Before you dive into building your page, you'll want to do a little bit of research on categories. There are 6 main page types available on Facebook, and there are a couple hundred categories for you to choose from. Unless you have a very popular business type, for example, coffee shops, you might not find the perfect fit. So let's break down the different page types to give you an idea. You should choose the local business option if customers need to come to you or if the radius of the people who you can serve is restricted. The benefit of choosing a local business or place is that you'll be more likely to show up when people do a search for your business in that location. If you're not looking for foot traffic or local customers, you'll want to choose one of the other page types. If your company has several locations, you'll want to choose the company option. This option will allow you to bulk upload all your locations and set the location, hours, and contact information individually for each of those pages. If your product or services are sold through more than one website that does not belong to you, you'll probably want to select the brand option. If your page is promoting a public figure, such as an artist, band, politician, or any type of celebrity, you'll want to choose this page option. If you are in the entertainment industry, you'll fall under this category. The cause or community page type baffles me. Even though it sounds like it's aimed at charities or nonprofits, it's not. This is where you would make your brand new I Heart Justin Bieber fan page. If you have a nonprofit business, you'll want to select company and then from the drop-down menu, select nonprofit. Now that we have covered the 6 main page type, let's dive into categories. For example, if you were to choose the local business page type, you would then see as your very first option to choose a category. You would then see a drop-down menu like this with a few dozen options. Your business might not fit the mold, so what I generally recommend is that you do some research on your competition and see what they've done. To find your competitors' pages on Facebook, do a general search and then click on the Pages tab at the top. Take a look at pages that are well established and have a check mark next to their name. For example, in this list, Epic Spaces would be a great option. You can see that they are a verified business by the check mark next to their name. Listed right under the business name is the category, which is what we're looking for. I recommend looking up 5 to 10 respected businesses in your industry to see which option is right for you. You might not see a consensus in your business, and that's fine. If you see a few very popular options, use your best judgment to see which one is right for you. Now, before you move on to the next lesson, you'll want to do a little research on your competition to see which Facebook category is right for you.